10:40 AM. Today is October 15, 2020. Ako sumabinay mo ng ito ang video vlog. How are you guys? Way lingaw no? Para maiba guys, kailangan na akong kailangan kong mag-count ng 1 to 100. Okay ra? Dili lang sa to ang episode. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Boring kayo ang life. Pero nakaihap ko og 1 to 10. Mura to naisip na ako pag-ora. Imagine kung naakay something 100 in your life, 100 pesos or 100 kabuok cellphones or mas siguro 100 kabuok yung mong uyab or in the future na kay 100 kabuok babies or anak. Oh, do you imagine on that? So what will be happen? Kamo daw explain daw sa ako sa kay may tabo. Just comment lang sa YouTube, okay? Comment lang. Bye bye.